to the channel, Rush fam. You know it's Rush the Discover Boss. Another video from Portmore, St. Catherine, Jamaica. So we're starting out with a driving video, but this is essentially a drone video. Just highlighting this commercial zone, which includes the Portmore Informatics Park. That's a BPO park developed at a cost of US $23 million. So we're gonna do a drive around the area and then we set up the drone so that you guys can get an eagle eye view. So this is Portmore Town Center Plaza, a 3-story plaza, fully tenanted. Lots of shop, lots of different options. I guess anything you want, you know, you can get it here, from Western Union to barber to water shop to smoothie to Chinese restaurant to pharmacy to loans to fashion clothes to gaming to appliance and furniture, water store, candle store, insurance, wholesale and retail. So whatever you're looking for, I'm sure this plaza has it. So this is where we're starting. This is a mega plaza, not new, it has been here for a while. It's right here on the front before you get deeper into the commercial area that we're looking at today. So stay tuned. Remember to subscribe, guys. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of June. They have a jerk out as well, so your help is needed. Remember to like, comment, share, and if you watched a few videos and your subscribe button is still red, please subscribe, guys. Trying to get to 10,000 subscribers and we can't do it without you. So let's head on around to the commercial area. A lot of different companies are around there, including a BPO zone. And then, as I mentioned, we will send up the drone and show you guys the area from a eagle eye view. So that big yellow building is Ada. They make like tissue, soap, other detergents and laundry stuff. So that's their manufacturing company. Around here you have car wash, you have JMB Bank, you have NCB, you have department store, garages. So a lot of different companies are around this commercial area. We'll go straight. To the right is a plaza. It says the Palm. So First Irish Credit Union, Chancellor Insurance. So multiple plazas are around here. And it's just a little bit away from the Portmore Town Center, which is over the other side. Dean's Motor Sales, again more car marts, more plazas, servicing, wheel alignment. So this is a commercial area still being developed. We have a Universal Church over here as well. Portmore Central Plaza on the left, Big Buy Plaza on the right, and we still have a lot of empty land waiting for development. JMB Bank on the left. Alright, so this is where we're at today, touring this commercial area right over by Portmore, St. Catherine. NCB on the right, Maxi Department Store on the left. So as I said, it's right close to the Portmore Mall, which is one of the main commercial area for Portmore. Let me just show you guys a little glimpse of the Portmore Mall area. So we're going out. Alright, so across the road would be the popular Portmore Mall. So everything is over there. KFC, Burger King, everything, and a lot of shopping centers as well. So that's one of Portmore main areas, Portmore Mall Town Center. And then this area that we're at now is a little bit distant off, just spreading out the development, so it's not one place. I've never toured the Portmore Mall with you guys before, so I'll be back one day to really do some Plaza tours, for example like Sovereign and the Portmore Mall. So I've never done a walkthrough with you guys. So NCB over there, long lines. Nowadays you go to the bank, you just have to prepare to spend like 2 to 3 hours, and COVID have made it so much worse. Alright, so the area continues around here. So around here is a BPO zone. So you have Alorica, which I think now Sutherland Global has. So this is a big BPO facility as well on the right, and still construction happening on the left. So this is the Portmore Informatics Park on the right, home to a lot of call centers. So that's over that side. The buildings are still not yet completely finished. They're still doing work, but I know some of the buildings are occupied. So again, just showing you guys around the area, the development, letting you guys see what's happening. And again, we still have empty lots, so I'm sure over the next few years, those will be taken up for sure. Alright guys, so remember, your support is needed. Like, comment, share, subscribe, so the channel can continue to grow. So we'll be going up with the drone in a few, so stay tuned for that, so you guys can see the area from an eagle eye view. So drone video coming up anytime now.